Hi guys, it's raining this morning. Guys, I'm going to the bus terminal heading to Sugbong Kugon. Guys, I'm riding the rail up to the bus terminal and it's still raining here guys. So there guys, I arrived at the bus terminal and with me were Lumpera and Carl in the bus terminal. There guys, me, Lampera and Carl are on the bus going to the Sugbong Kugon. Here guys, we are here in Sugbong Kugon and my classmate and I on our way to Yamog house. Hi guys, we are here. Guys, we're here with the fog and this is the view of their sea and the sea is clean and white sand. And there guys there is a mermaid up there on the top of the rocks guys. Here guys we took a break because we just arrived there. Here guys I brought the fish that was in the eco bag to cook the fish. There guys, he cut the ingredients for the grilled fish guys. Here guys, we have grilled the fish here. In there guys, the grilled fish is almost done here. And there guys, the ingredients for the marinated chicken are being chopped. Here guys, the wood is being split so that marinated chicken can be cooked and it's already placed in the cooker. Dishes are cooked including rice, grilled fish, adobo, and kinilaw. Hey guys, we already prepared for food and safety. In there guys, we all eat together. And there guys, we are getting ready to go home because we're done swimming in the sea. And here guys, we went on a trip with Nalasa, Belo and I to go home now.